Hi, I'm back after ages, and today I'm heading out with my friends to attend some function. And after that, we're planning to come back to my place if it's possible because it's kind of far where we are going. And for today's function, I'm going with the basic white kurta with pink dupatta. I'm gonna show you guys. Wait. This is my outfit for today white kurta with pink dupatta. I had looked up on Pinterest, and that's how I got the inspo, and this is it. So I'm gonna get back to you after I get changed. This is how it looks. I can't show the whole outfit because it won't fit the frame. And the next, I'm going with some jewelries. The first one is this handcuff bangle, and the another earrings. So yeah, I'm kind of late right now because we had planned on meeting at 11 and it's already 11. Yeah, I'm gonna be super quick with my makeup and then put on this jewelries and get back to you. This is how my makeup turned out, and yeah, I got a call from my friend saying that we are super late, so I'm gonna put on my jewelries and then book an Uber and head to the place. So yeah, see you guys later. Our other friend is so worried about the metro, and we are doing our touch up at the moment. Metro is here, so we're gonna head now.
So waiting for the next train that we have to aboard, we realized that the cab fare is apparently cheaper than what we would have to pay for metro, coupled with another cab that we have to inevitably take when we reach the destination. So
This is the bad choice.
yeah, we're very financial out here, very financially well versed. CA किया है हमने know how to manage
And also
money.
tell them though that others they are about to reach, and then we are only
Oh
one who are
yeah, yeah,
left.
yeah. Again, there's this name that our HOD has given us. It's VIP because we always arrive late wherever we're supposed to go, and it's always just us. We arrive like VIPs, so that's
Today
going to ring
also, it's
true
the same
again.
thing.
Yes, everyone has gone except for us.
We are hungry. What did you eat today?
Nothing.
I had butter croissant, coffee, and biscuit, but I'm still hungry. The stew, they didn't eat
Because it's
anything.
lunchtime. It's lunchtime already. It's
Yeah.
lunchtime already. It's past 2. I am hungry. I'm
That
famished.
also. That also.
Absolutely famished.
She didn't even drink her protein shake.
Yeah, I did. Because I thought I'll be late.
Well, she was the first one who woke up, and then I don't know what did she do,
I
but she was the one who got
procrastinated.
late.
Yeah, I procrastinated a lot. Then I took my time doing my makeup and all.
I think we have to start our podcast. You
And
don't feel like that?
yeah, we would be able to talk at length for
Yeah.
hours. It's another thing that people might not find the content interesting.
Yeah, that is the thing. But there will be some people who will like to
Just like, huh, we could be that white noise that you guys would just, play in the background. Huh.
and then do your own work.
Yeah, to distract you from whatever is happening around you. You just want white noise in the background, and we would be able to provide that. You wouldn't even have to pay attention to what we're talking.
We'll just blabber, and also I think in the future we have to think about this.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah, we'll put a pin on this. Please let us know down in the comment section. Would you like us to start a podcast channel?
We would love to.
Yeah, we have so much tea to spill, but you would not be able to find that interesting because you don't know any of the characters. They don't matter.
We'll try to make that interesting.
Yes, yeah, we will because we've been through some shit here. We know
A lot. How long will it take now for us to reach?
10 minutes.
I guess so. Yeah, we'll catch you up later.
Yeah, we'll catch up with you guys later. Bye bye. Stay tuned.
Oh, sure, maybe.
I would explain what this means,
It has a
but
deep meaning.
yeah, it does. Deep, very deep, very 6'4" deep.
I can explain mine.
Yeah, she can explain hers.
Yeah. I have written Afreen here.
Afreen.
Yeah.
It has a
Find
very
out the meaning.
beautiful meaning. Yes.
Yeah. I love the meaning. That's why I wrote it.
Mm.
So yeah, bye. We'll see you later.
Stay tuned.
You guys wanna come in my vlog? Can I? Yeah. Can I show you guys? Yeah. I'm gonna do authentic South Indian food mukbang today. It looks tasty. I'm gonna click a picture now and then I'm gonna eat. She's taking a video, so yeah. We got another stuff and I see that it's a coconut.
Tired of eating.
I'm also so full.
Feeling sleepy.
See, we got a big coconut. Some sweets are also there. We are done with our food. I am so freaking full right now, and also we got pan.
Who wants to come in your vlog?
Hi, Imran. Nice food.
Hi.
Nothing. You guys have to say something about me.
Best mama.
She's my
Sugar mommy.
she's my mom. I can't
Mine
tell how
also.
kind she is. I can't express in my words. She's literally an angel.
We are surviving in Alamein because of them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
We finished eating our food and then we waved a goodbye to our sir. And then now we're heading to one restaurant because our one friend he didn't eat, so we're heading there. Right now we are fighting over this song. My friend he wants to play a song, but I don't. And he's looking at me right now. He's not letting me make a video.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
What is it? We came to this. I forgot the restaurant name.
Chulha Chowki ka dhaba.
Shula Chowki Ka Dhaba, and then it will only open at 6:30. So we're leaving and then heading to another restaurant, which is Punjabi restaurant. Do you want to eat something?
I want to drink coffee.
I know you'll get coffee there. We are here at this Kapoor's restaurant. We didn't knew that this was veg restaurant.
Pure veg. It's a pure veg Jain menu. What were we thinking?
I don't know. Our friend is angry with us because we didn't get to eat chicken.
Yeah, it was actually quite a trip. We searched all over Jainagar for, not all over Jainagar, but one in close proximity for a non-veg restaurant. Where did we end up coming? Pure veg. But Mans had an aloo paratha because he was starving and he did not have a choice. And now he is depressed.
He's not talking with us. We are waiting for our auto right now.
And it has arrived and we need to go, otherwise Ashraf will get angry again. Bye-bye.